Hello. Um, with this video, I would like to show you simple and easy steps to use Microsoft Word for your referencing, especially for students who do research, students and those who publish journal articles. So I'm going to show you with few steps how you can easily use Microsoft Word without worrying so much about referencing. So first, we like to use so supposing we are writing a paper and then we need to insert certain references in here, so we try to do intext citation for this here. What we need to do is to find certain information and then use it. So I'm going to show how we can use Microsoft Word to get this thing done. Okay, so for instance, if the first area, the areas highlighted are those areas that we would like to insert references, this for the purpose of identification, that's why, so an easy way of learning. So with this, what we need to do is to find out the information here that we will need. So on your Word page, you go to references, you click on references, and when you click on references, a drop down will come. The drop down, you look at these ones and manage sources. We are not going to manage the entire sources now, so we're going to use this, and you can choose from this list which style you want. Now we want to use the APA style, so you choose APA. So go to insert citation. First, you click where you want to do your inserting of citation, and it's always best, it's appropriate for you to insert the citation before a full stop. So you put in a full stop after where you put the cursor. So you start by going to references, then you go to insert citation. With the insert citation, okay, these ones are already there, so we are going to delete them and then start all over. So if we delete them here, we delete them, then we start all over. Okay, so you go to references, you go to insert citation. There isn't any citation for you to insert, so it's there. So you add new source. When you go to add new source, this pop-up will come, and then with this pop-up you decide whether you are going to, you look at the document you are going to reference and select the appropriate one. So if it's a book, if it's a journal article, if it's a website, if it's an electronic document on a website, if it's a report, you select from this drop down list. And for now we are using a journal article here, so we are going to select journal article. Good. When you select journal article, these fields tell us what we need to put in order to get it done. But to make it easier, click on this and to show you exactly what you need to put in. So it gives you the compulsory ones that you need to fill. So when we come here, first we look for the information that is being required here, then we go to where it is displayed, and then we transfer it. So first we look at the author. With the author, you can choose to type it in here, but you may have a number of errors. So you go to edit, it will give you a box that you write the author's name in. So this one we have 4 authors, so we are going to put in 4 authors, and it starts with the first person. The first author has the surname as Emisa, then the first name is Eunice, then a middle name, so we put the middle name to there. And because we have other names, we are going to add, so we add so that we can add the others. And the next person is Gamo Emmanuel. Okay, so we add that one too. Then you come to the third person, Mildred, so we type in the last name first, so Derry. Then we go to the first name is Mildred, then the middle name, then we add because there's another person, we add, then the last person is this person, so Lisa, and the name is Agnes. Okay, after this you don't add because there's no other name to add. There's no other name after this one, so you go to OK. Please remember, it's very important. So you go to OK, then you look for the title of the published article. It's factors influencing employee job satisfaction, so we type it in this section. Factors influencing employee job satisfaction in Ghana, in Ghana's hotel industry. Good. Then we look for the journal name. So when we come here, you can go up to see the cover page. There's the journal name. So the journal name is up here, and it's the same thing that is down here. It's the same thing here. So all the information we need displayed here. So we type in the journal name. It says Journal of Human. For this side, you capitalize each important word or each major word. So Journal of Human Resources in Hospitality and Tourism. Okay, we don't need a city, it's not a compulsory thing. We need a year of publication. So you look at the year of publication, it's up here somewhere. Yes, there's 2016, so we type in 2016. Then the pages, we look for the pages here is 1662183. We have more information here which we can, for journal articles it's always important to add the volume number and the issue number. So we look for volume number, volume 15, that is up here, volume 15. Don't forget to add the volume number and issue number, then issue number 2. Okay, we can choose to add these ones, the URL where you can get this document. You can add the digital online identification number, which is the ones here, but we don't need those ones now. So we look at those that we need. Aside those that are highlighted with journal articles, you need volume and then issue number. So when you finish with this, you click OK, and it does the in-text citation for us. The in-text citation is very important. So at this point, you don't need to worry about how it's going to be arranged and how it's supposed to be, whether in brackets or not. It's going to arrange everything for you. So this one, we've done the first one. So when you're doing the next, for instance, another journal article, if it's this one or this one, you go through the same process. So now let's shift our attention to a different document. Let's shift our attention to a book. So we shift our attention to a book, an e-book or a book. Okay, so we look at what the book is about, because we have gotten information from there, so you need to reference it. So this is Visitor Management in Tourism Destinations, and it's an edited book, which means it may have other authors. So you go and look for exactly where we got the information from. So okay, assuming we got the information from the part 3, all right, part 3, but then we got it from tourist behavior, vandalism and stakeholder responses. What you need to do is, in the same way, you go back to references, then insert citation, you go to new source, then to come. But this one we are looking at a book section, so we select a book section. Okay, and with the book section too, we have very important things to note. Unlike the journal article, the book section, we need a publisher and the city in addition to the others. So in the book section, we look at the title of the book first. The book title is what we got up there. So let's start with the information we have here. This is the title of the section we need to reference. So the title of exactly what we are referencing, and then the author of the title of what we are referencing. So we type in the title as Tourist Behavior, Vandalism and Stakeholder Responses. So we type in tourist behavior, vandalism and stakeholder responses. Okay, then we look at the authors. We have Abhishek Bhatti and Philip Pierce. So we go to author of the section that we want. So we type in the first person's name. We have Bhatti, and last name is Abhishek. Then we add, because we are going to have another name, and the name is Pierce Philip. And Pierce Philip we don't add, but then we okay. Then we move on to the next important thing, the book title. But before then, the pages. Let's look at the pages. This is from page 102, and this is the next section that starts. So we will do it 116. So the pages is 102 to 116. Okay, then we look for the other information. So we go back to the top. You go back to the top to get more information. Okay, so the book title, you put in the book title, visitor management in tourism destinations. Okay, so you look for the year and author of the book, but this is an edited book, so we look for the editor. So let's go bit by bit and see if we can find. Okay, the editor is there. Let's look for the other information. Okay, good. Now from here we can get the information of the publisher. So the publisher is CAP International. 2017 is the publishing date. So the year 2017. Then the publisher is CAP International. Some people prefer writing CAP B or CAP I, but I prefer writing the CAP International. Okay, CAP International. Then the city. When we look through, you find out okay, Oxfordshire in the UK is the city, so we put that one in here. In the UK, that one is the one here. Okay, so what happens is we finish with this, but then the book is an edited book. So you go and look. Yes, the editor's full name is here. Edited by, so we look at editor. Then we have translator and others. So depending on the document you're using. So editor, the editor's name Albrecht. Anyway. Okay, and she is Julia. Alright, and she has a middle name that's abbreviated N. So because we don't have other names to add, we don't go to add, we just go straight away to OK. Alright, so we have every information we need now. We didn't put in book author because it's an edited book, edited by, unless it's just a book straight away. Then so when you, okay, that one too has it here. Now everything is showing up here. So Batty and Pierce, okay. So now we have two references duly cited in text, and assuming we have another one, and this other one is not an edited book. So this is one of the books I've been reading. Okay, so let's say this book, Tourism Geography, is the next book we are referencing. Assuming Tourism Geography is the one we want to reference here, or we want to do in-text citation here, what we need to do is we go through the same process, but then this is not a book section. This is a book. So we go to book, and you see it has reduced. Then look for the fields that we need. Everything is here. So what we need to do is start straight away with the author. The author is Williams, and the first name is Steven. Okay, so because it's only him, we go to OK. Then the title of the book is Tourism Geography. So we have Tourism Geography. The year we don't know, the city we don't know, the publisher we don't know. So we go through, oh, we can even get the information. It's by Routledge. Routledge is the publisher, a part of Taylor and Francis group. So the publisher, we type Routledge there. Then we look for city. City takes London and New York, which means it was published in London and New York at the same time. Which let's choose the first city. So London. Then we go and look for the year of publication. Okay, it says it was first published, but we look for the current one. Yes, it says this edition published in Taylor and Francis e-library is in 2003. So we use 2003. That was published 2003. So we have everything we need. It doesn't tell us the volume, doesn't tell us the edition number, so we move on with it. Okay, so we have, so we, okay, then it also appears. How nice. So it's easy, isn't it? Very easy. Alright, so now this is how we have gotten 3 of our citations, and as they are in the in-text citations, they've also been backed up for the citation, the reference list. So assuming we have finished all our work and we want to get the list of references, what you need to do is you just need to go to references again. You go to references. When you get to references, instead of going to insert citation, you've already inserted the citations, so you go to bibliography. We are looking for references, so we go to references. Then we click on references, and just at a click of the button, everything comes, everything pops up for us. So easy. So with a click of a button, all these have been done with proper arrangement. The right things are being done. So all we need to do is to just edit. So if I want this to be bolded, I just bolden it, and then I just edit it. So all of these things are now arranged for you, how the punctuation is supposed to be, what comes before the other, how journal articles are referenced, how they are going to be done. They are all done in here for you. All you need to do is just to edit it. So now I want to edit it. I want to choose Times New Roman as a font type, then a font size of 12, and I want to justify it. So this is what I can even space it if I want to, depending on the requirement of the institution you are submitting your documents to. So this is how easy it is. So if you have 35 or if you have 170, as you do your work you insert it. So by the time you finish, you have 170 all arranged in alphabetical order in the APA format. So this is what you need to do, and it's that simple. So in other videos I'll show other things. If you like this, please give a thumbs up, and if you have any question or comments, please do put it at the comment section and let me know whether what I'm doing is helping you or not, and the things that you need to know what you need, so that I can also do other videos on what you need. So have a nice day then. Thank you, and until we meet again, it's bye bye.